This is the rack mount installation tutorial for Office Rack Mount UPS series. This installation tutorial applies to all Office Rack Mount UPS models. Important notice: before installation, please read the safety precautions that can be found in the user's manual, quick start guide, and their other related documents. To start, prepare the UPS unit. 2 rack mount ears with handle, 8 flat head screws, 1 power cord, Phillips screwdriver with insulated handle, 2 post or 4 post server rack, and the hardware kit provided by the server rack. Install the 2 rack mount ears onto both sides of the UPS using 4 flat head screws on each side. Then use the hardware provided by the server rack to secure the UPS onto the rack. Tighten 2 screws on each side. Plug the power cord to the UPS and the utility grid. To complete the installation, press the power button to turn on the UPS.